Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday Racing, March 1, ang unang karera o racing days sa buwan ng Marso. Ngayong araw ng linggo, dito pa rin, siyempre ang karera sa weekend na ito sa Philippine Jockey Club, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Patuloy po, Ferrocom Rating-Based Handicap System Race. Ngayong araw ng linggo, maraming ganap. Ngayong gaganapin ang Club Don Juan de Manila 25th Founding Anniversary Special Race at 2026 Ferrocom 4-year-old and above Imported Local Challenge Race. Happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat dahil Sunday po ngayon. The family that prays together, eat together, stay together. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng linggo. As usual, mas maaga, alas 2 ng hapon, 2 p.m. Race number 1, first pick 6 covers races 1 to 6. Ito pong race 1, ang Club Don Juan de Manila 25th Founding Anniversary Special Race. Open sa mga 3-year-old local and imported challenge stake race. So race 1 pa lang, stake race na po. Ang ating pong cool purse and only choice, mega outstanding favorite, malamang na malamang. Dahil halos tinalo niya na lahat ito. Cool purse and only choice number 6, O2 Cruz, Jackie Pati R. Dilemma. Race 2. Ito naman po ang umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. By the way, ngayong araw ng linggo, meron tayong 8 races. At yung race 2 lang, ang 1,650. Yung iba pang 7 races, pawang 1,400 meter distance. So itong race 2, ito po yung 1,650. Ito ang 2026 Ferrocom 4-year-old and above imported local challenge race. So dito sa race 2, pawang imported po, ang ating pong napiling cool first choice. Number 1, Lucency, Escaper by Pati R. Dilemma. Meron po tayong cool second choice. Ang napili po natin cool second choice, number 5, Every 4 Years, JT Zarate on top. Race 3, may Pentapecta. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, number 6, Generative. Cool second choice, number 7, Pasayenyo. At cool third choice number 2, Bid for Fame. Race 4, Big 5, covers races 4 to 8. Ang race 4 po, ang Club Don Juan Anniversary Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice na napili, number 5, Constatic Offer. AB Serious on the Saddle. At ang ating pong cool second choice, number 1, Paris with Bronze with Jackie Pati R. Dilemma. Race 5, pick 4, covers races 5 to 8. May Super 6 event, Club Don Juan de Manila 25th Founding Anniversary Special Race. 5-year-old and above, Australian bred only. So, ang ibig sabihin, lahat ito ay na bred sa Australia. Kasi may mga USA dito na kabayo. Anyway, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, longevity. Cool second choice, number 10. Mga nakarang takbo, parang naabutan kagad, napapatungan kagad. Dito, baka hindi. Cool second choice, number 10, Shiver Me Pink. Meron po tayong cool third choice. Nasa harapan din ito. Cool third choice natin, number 9, Manila Dubai, Jackie M.A. Alvarez. Race 6, may Pentapecta event. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Wolf 359 with Jackie J.M. Storke. At ang ating pong cool second choice, number 7, Dreams of the World is given by PM Cabalejo. Cool third choice, number 2, Bantay Sarado, Jackie A.R. Villegas. Penultimate race, race 7, may Pentapecta event. Dito po sa race 7, ang ating pong cool first choice, last to enter. Mga nakarang takbo, medyo parang hindi maganda ang mga salida. Dito, naniniwala ako, nandun kaagad ito sa bandang unahan. Cool first choice natin, number 7, Elizabeth Joy. At cool second choice, number 1, Orange Bell. Last race, paratingan. Ito pong last race 8, may Pentapecta event. At dito ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Electrify. Ang kailangan lang, huwag masyadong maiwan. Cool second choice, number 8, Watch Bell. At cool third choice, number 3, N. Puego. Happy racing! God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!